How to make a fabric book cover is a Nana's favorite. I made this little gingham one when I was young after hearing stories about my mom's books needing to be covered by fabric because they handed them down from kid to kid. So I used denim for mine, which worked great. You need to measure your book very accurately. I have the exact formula on the pattern that is linked below this video. So measure your book, and you're going to be adding an extra amount to the width and also a different amount to the height, so it's exactly the right measurement for your book. And then you're going to cut your fabric to that measurement and follow my instructions, and it will fit your book exactly. There's 2 pieces to cut for handles as well. If you want an extra piece of fabric that's coordinating to put on the front cover, you would do that now. Use 2-sided fusible interfacing if you would like to hold it in place and zigzag it, but stitch that onto that front cover side. Then you're going to turn 1/4 inch in on the 2 short ends of your book cover, zigzag those, and then turn them in 3 inches and sew and zigzag the top of each of those, which make pockets when you turn them inside out. And then you're going to zigzag that top and bottom edge that's left unfinished when you're done with a zigzag stitch. Okay, for the handles, you're going to turn the raw edges into the center to make a tube and zigzag those down, and then sew them onto the very edge of the cover. Slip your book inside those pockets and it will fit exactly. Woohoo! I love this one. How to make a fabric book cover. All the extra instructions and the free pattern are found at welcometananas.com.